Hello, this is Chandan Sahu. In this video, we are going to see a demonstration on how to install an Internet Information Service, which is a prerequisite for SQL Planner software. So let us go to Control Panel in your computer, and we need to enable one of the Windows feature, which is Internet Information. So you have to turn on Windows features on and off. Click over here, and by default I have already installed, so you should come over here, Internet Information Services, expand it and select all the options from these two options. Web Management Tool, so you just expand it and ensure you have checked all of these features. Second is you expand Worldwide Web Services and just select all the options. So you should see all the check marks are checked, and you would see these two options are already checked here. And the third is .NET Framework 4.7 Advanced Services. In your case, it might be 4.6 or 4.8, depending on Windows Services Pack. You should have higher version or lower version. So you have to basically check ASP.NET Services, and that's it. So you check all these three options. So ASP.NET Services, Web Management Tool, and Worldwide Services. So hit OK, and by default your Windows will install it from your Windows uh, system image, or it will download it from your internet tab basically. So let it complete, and once it is done, that means you have Internet Information Services installed successfully in your machine. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.